Yeah, you know, after 4 consecutive losses, uh, it's nice to get a win again. Lalo na sa Ginebra pa, you know. Although we should have handled our last 5 minutes a lot better. We sometimes we made bad decisions, and I felt that we could have better shots. But just the same, my guys didn't give up, and you know, they held their own, and especially nung last time out ni Coach Tim, we locked them up. We denied all entry passes, and they turned the ball over. So again, syempre, Mr. Bolick did a lot tonight. So same with guys like Richie Roger, si Herndon, Basera Mel, and our bigs, Tony, Sean, you know, they played their hearts out tonight.
Coach, you already mentioned during the last 5 minutes, napunta pa sa alanganin ang NLEX. What improvements do you see that your team can make going into this playoffs?
Oh, what's that again? What do
you see, or what improvements do you see that your team can do going into the playoffs, given na napunta sa alanganin?
I think it's more on making good decisions, and right place at the right time.
Thank you, Coach Frankie. Now, Robert, third quarter, can you just talk